What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you step by step on how to draw a funny summer hot dog. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page with the front bun. We're going to start over on the left side. We're going to draw a curve that comes down the middle. Now we just want to bend that up towards the outside. Now let's round out the end of the bun. Starting back on the left, curve this around and then in towards the bottom. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right side. Now I want to close off the bottom of the bun with a curve from the left side, coming down, across, and then up. Now directly behind that front bun, we're going to add in the hot dog. Let's start on the left side, just going to round this out, and then bend that in. Now let's curve the top of the dog. We're going to come across, and then up towards the right. I'm going to round this out, and then tuck that in. Now we're going to create an old-fashioned hot dog by adding the knots on the end. Let's start back on the left, going out and bend that in. I'm going to add two more curves on the outside, work our way down, and then just tuck that in towards the side. Let's take that and flip it over on the right. Start with the top, add the second bump, and then one more across the bottom. Now I want to take this top bun and just layer it in behind. So we're going to start at the top of the hot dog, go up, bend that across, up on the right, and then just tuck that in. Now you can dress your hot dog any way you like, but I'm going to go with the classic. We're going to add some ketchup across the front. So starting on the side, I'm just going to wave this line, going all the way around the front, and just pull that back in. Now let's layer some ketchup in behind. Starting from the top, draw another wave, going across the bun, over towards the right. Now we're going to have some fun with our hot dog by adding a face. Let's start with the top edge of the cheeks. So we're going to start over on the left side. Let's add a curve, going up and then down. Let's move all the way over towards the right and draw that same curve. Now in behind that cheek, we're going to draw a circle for the eye. On the left side, we're going to step in, draw that circle, going all the way around, and just tuck that in, and then do the exact same thing on the right. On the top left side of each eye, draw a small circle for highlight. And then along the bottom right, draw a smaller circle. And then want to fill the inside of the eyes in black, going around those highlights. Let's add some eyebrows with a curve going across and then down. And then we'll add the mouth in between. Start with the curve across the top. Now we're going to add a fold, coming down and out on either side. And then from the corners of the mouth, we're going to come down and then up. Let's add a curve across the bottom for the tongue. And then we'll fill the top of the mouth in black. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of a funny summer hot dog. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.